Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn Introduction to C Programming in a very simple and beginner-friendly way. If you are new to programming, don't worry at all. I will explain everything step by step. In this video, we will cover what is C programming, the structure of a C program, data types, input and output, operators, conditional statement, and in the next video we will discuss each topic like loops, switch function, arrays, pointers, and many more in complete detail with full program. So make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. What is C programming? C programming language was developed in 1974 at Bell Labs. It was created by Dennis Ritchie. C is general purpose programming language. That means we can use it to build operating system, embedded system, game development, system software. In fact, popular operating systems like Unix were written using C. Why is C so popular? Because C is fast, efficient, powerful, close to hardware. C is also called the mother of many programming languages because languages like C++, Java, and others are influenced by C. So if you learn C, your programming foundation becomes very strong. Now, let's understand the basic structure of a C program. Here is a simple program. Hashtag include studio.h. Int main printf hello world return 0. So now let me explain this line by line. Hashtag include studio.h. This is called a header file. It allows us to use function like printf and scanf. Int main. Every C program starts execution from the main function. Without main, your program will not run. Printf hello world. This is used to display output on the screen. Return 0. It tells the operating system that the program ended successfully. So remember, execution always starts from main. So let's perform what a simple structure of a C program on VS Code. So let's get started. Now we have to create a new file to perform. So I named it as tutorial.c and save C tutorial. So let's get started. Write our basic structure of C program and check is it correct or not. So let's start it. Hashtag include studio.h int main print f. Let's write hello world. Return 0 and save this program. Save this program and open new new terminal and run this program and check is it printing hello world. So our code is correct, so it print hello world as our code. So you learned our basic code of C. Next we're gonna learn the data types in C. Data types define what kind of data we are storing. Here are some basic data types. Int stands for integer values. Float, decimal values. Double, large decimal values. Char, single characters. For each variable must have a data type. Why we use data type? Because the computer needs to know how much memory to allocate. Next we're gonna learn what is input and output in C. In C we use printf, which is used to display data on screen. Whatever we write on printf, it shows on the console window, display on the screen. Like we write here inside the printf hello world, it shows on the console window and it print on display on console window hello world. Now scanf used to take input from user. Its syntax is scanf%d and age. Do we use and in scanf? The AND symbol is called the address operator. It tells the compiler to store the input value at the memory address of the variable. Without AND, scanf will not work properly for normal variable. This is very important for beginners. Next, we're gonna learn basic operators. Operators in C. Operators are used to perform operation on variable like arithmetic operators, plus sign for addition, negative sign for subtraction, multiplication sign, slash for division, percent sign for modulus function. Relational operators used to compare values. They return true or false. Logical operators used to combine multiple conditions. Next, we gotta learn conditional statement. If statement, the simplest form which executes a block of code only if a specified condition is true. If else statement executes one block of code if the condition is true and a different block if it is false. Else if ladder or if else if used to check multiple condition sequence executing the block associated with the first true condition. Else if ladder used when we have multiple condition. Nested if else statement allows placing conditional statement inside other if or else block to handle more complex logic. A nested if else and if inside another if used for complex logic. Switch statement provides a cleaner way to handle many alternative blocks of code based on values of a single variable which must be an integral type. Switch works only with integer or character type value. A switch is cleaner way checking multiple cases for a single variable. And so today we learn what is C programming, structure of C program, data types, input and output, operators, conditional statement. In next video, we will discuss everything in detail one by one with proper explanation and full code examples including loop in C, switch statement in depth, function in C, arrays, strings, pointers, file handling, and many important programs for practice. Till then, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.